Year 2020 has been very challenging. But what kept us really going and energized was the mission to ensure learning doesn't stop. Now, thanks to all our master teachers, all the Vedans who worked round the clock to ensure our millions of students could study without any interruption.
2020 was the year of innovation at Vedantu. We had to really work hard when the whole world was at standstill. We at Vedantu, we really worked hard to ensure that the students who are appearing in their final exams like 10th or 12th boards, like IIT JEE or NEET examination, their studies are not interrupted.
I'm really proud that the idea of live online learning that we had started in 2014 has become mainstream today. In 2020, when the physical classrooms got disrupted, Vedantu's live classes ensured that your learning didn't stop.
Personally, I've been most satisfied this year. Vedantu was the first company way back in 2014 to introduce this concept of live interactive classes. And today, I'm super satisfied to see everyone using this format to teach and learn online.
In IIT JEE, we had 548 selection. In 10th boards, be it CBSE or ICSE, we had great results. In CBSE, 37% of the students who studied with us got more than 90%. In ICSE, 47% of the students who studied with us got more than 90%. In fact, in 12th boards, we had 69% of the students who scored more than 90%. This result is huge. Thanks to you students who really trusted us at this time. And I thank all the team members at Vedantu who really worked day in and day out to ensure that you get this result.
At Vedantu, we have done many industry-leading innovations and have created Wave, our live online learning platform, which with its patented technology has ensured that every child in any part of the country has access to quality education. And we have ensured that this learning is super fun, interactive, and immersive learning experience for every child.
This year, Vedantu launched brand new programs for our younger kids. With lot of love, we launched Super Coders and Super Kids for 5-year to 10-year-olds.
In 2021, your classrooms are going to be much more fun, full of 3D content, simulations, gamification. Guys, you're going to have amazing time learning on Vedantu.
With more and more kids coming online to study, we see this as a big responsibility. At Vedantu, I'm super proud to announce that this year we have adopted a zero tolerance child safety policy so that we can create a safe learning environment for each and every kid.
2021, let it be fun-filled, full of hope, full of dreams, and at the same time, you work hard, we work hard, and together we ensure that your dreams become reality.
We are having super fun creating these learning environments for you, and we are really thrilled about the possibilities of how you guys can learn amazingly well sitting from your home, and we all wish an amazing learning 2021 to you guys.
Here is wishing you all a very happy new year 2021.
So on behalf of all the Vedans, looking forward to a very bright 2021. Wishing you and your dear family a very happy new year.